Yeah, today I will be telling you about Sudoku. Sudoku, that is about the Sudoku puzzle. A Sudoku puzzle is a type of logic-based puzzle game. So let us first try to find out how we can make the particular code available over here. So we can type over here Google, you can type out where the Google Chrome, that is a web browser, as you know, opens up, and there we can type out the particular, there is a uh, website where we can find the particular game there, the Sudoku. So we can put down HTTPS, and then we can do this Sudoku, this SU, Sudo, and Ku, 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 Sudoku. And Sudoku should be Sudoku.com. So we open the Sudoku.com and press enter. So once we press enter, we find the Sudoku.com opens up, and you can very well find out that is the Sudoku particular the puzzle, that is a logic based puzzle game. This played in the grid of 9 into 9 squares. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and over here 7, 8, 9. So you have 9 squares, and you find each square, what is called the region, is divided into 3 into 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 3 rows and 3 columns. So which is called each region, and you find that um, you have to find out that this region, 9 regions, contains all the numbers from 1 to 9 without any repetition. That is the main thing. Without any repetition, it should form that 1 to 9 without any repetition. And the pre-filled numbers in Sudoku is called the Sudoku givens. These are givens. See, 6, 8, 1, 4, and 5 is given. So how to play this game, that is very important. So once you open up this particular structure, okay, this is table-like structure, you can go over here to new game, and you can click here the new game. So once you start with a new game, you start with the particular game as easy mode, and once you see over the easy mode over here, you find that you can cross this one, okay, and you can even cross this one, and the game has been loaded. Now you see the whole game is loaded, and the idea is to put down the numbers from 1 to 9, making sure that each row and each column and each of the 9 regions contain all the numbers from 1 to 9 without any repetition. So you say 3 is there, 5, 6, and 9 is there. So if you come and click over here, you find that these are shaded regions. So 6, 9 is there, 6, 9 is there, 6, 1 you cannot find over here, 1 is not there in any of the things. So you can click on 1, so there will be no repetition. Yes, you can click 1. So you see that ones are structured. Now you find to the next one, and you can click over here. So once you click here, you find that these are shaded, and you find which number is not present there. So 3 is there, and 6 is there, 2 is there, 7 is there, and you don't find 8 there. So you can click on 8. So there it goes, and it fixes up, and then you can come over here and find out that 1, 2, 3, 4 is not there. 4, yes, 4 is there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is not there. So here also 9 is not there. So you can click on 9 and see this is complete. once you get it complete, so you find the timer is over here, you can see the time also. And now after that you come to this region and click over here, and you find that these numbers shaded 127 is there, 127 over here. You find 1 2 is also there, 3 is there, so 4 is not there. Yes, 4, you cannot find 4 there, so you can click on 4. Yes, 4 is being done there. Now if you come over here to the first, second, third, fourth square, you click here, you find which number is not there present out of 1 to 9. You find this 8, now 1 is there, yes, 1 is there, 2 is not there, yes, 2 is not there. You're going to find 2 is not there, so you can put down 2, yes, that's it, and the game over. So this is the way you do the game. So you try out, there are various modes, you do that, okay, and this is what is Sudoku.